The PlayStation Portal, released in late 2023, is Sony's handheld device that lets you stream PS5 games on the go using remote play technology. Like any electronic device, the portal can encounter software glitches, connectivity problems, or general instability that requires a reset. Common issues include audio syncing problems during gameplay, sudden remote play disconnects, or overall software freezing. These issues often stem from connectivity problems between the portal and your PS5 console, which must be linked via Wi-Fi for the device to function. Firmware updates can introduce bugs, and network instability in certain areas exacerbates these problems. There are two main types of resets: a soft reset and a full factory reset. A soft reset simply restarts the system without erasing data, ideal for quick fixes to minor issues. A full factory reset wipes everything, returning the device to its original state. In contrast, a full factory reset erases all user data, settings, and apps, requiring you to set up the device again from scratch. This is recommended for persistent issues that soft resets can't resolve. Before performing any reset, especially a full factory reset, it's crucial to back up your data using PlayStation Plus cloud storage. Game saves, settings, and other data can be lost permanently during the process. Additionally, make sure both your PS5 and Portal are running the latest firmware versions before resetting, as outdated software can cause compatibility problems. According to Sony's reports and user data, resets effectively address about 85% of common Portal issues, making them a valuable troubleshooting tool. By understanding when and why to perform these resets, you can effectively troubleshoot issues and keep your PlayStation Portal running smoothly for uninterrupted gaming on the go. A soft reset is the first step for troubleshooting minor issues on your PlayStation Portal. Start by navigating through the menu to Settings, then System, and Power Options. Select Restart PS Portal to initiate the process. This action clears temporary caches and resolves problems like frozen screens or minor glitches, completing in just 1 to 2 minutes without losing any data. For more serious problems that a soft reset can't resolve, perform a full factory reset. Begin by completely powering off the device. Then press and hold the power button for 7 to 10 seconds until you hear a beep, which enters safe mode. In the safe mode menu, select Reset PS Portal or Initialize PS Portal depending on your firmware version. Confirm the action and the device will erase all data before restarting. The complete setup process, including relinking to your PS5, takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection and PS5 access for full restoration. As an alternative to the standard full reset, you can perform a hard reset using the physical reset pinhole on the back of the device near the USB-C port. Insert a paper clip into the pinhole while simultaneously holding the power button. This forces a hard reset and is useful if the safe mode menu fails to appear or if you encounter boot issues. Always back up important data before any reset, as these processes are irreversible.